Miss Alanna, and it's snack time. Today we're making cheesecake graham crackers. Let's get started. Remember, when washing your hands, always use warm water and wash with soap for 20 seconds. For today's snack, you only need a few ingredients. Graham crackers that have been broken up into squares, cream cheese, and then a variety of fruits, whatever your family likes. Today, I am using some blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries that have been cut up into bite-sized pieces. Remember to always supervise your children when in the kitchen. The snack is very simple. Just take your cream cheese, spread onto your graham cracker, and then add whatever fruit you like. We could do some blueberries and a strawberry. We hope you enjoyed this yummy snack brought to you by the Florida Keys Healthy Start Coalition. We'd love to see your creations in the comments below, so take a picture.